Hey y'all, hope you're doing well this morning. I'm out here in the shop. Somebody was wanting to know how this Fusion F1 did on cutting hardwood. So I got a piece here I'm going to rip down. A piece of, I'm not sure it's oak. I'm not sure. I think it's white oak. Try to let y'all see how well it does cutting. I'm just finishing up over here. I did some candy dispensers for my granddaughters. So that's what I've been working on, trying to get that done for today. Just finished them up here this morning, and so yeah, I'm gonna do a quick video of this saw cutting through this piece of white oak so you all can see how well it does. Hopefully I'll set you over here and you can see how well it does. This is still the factory blade, so we'll give her a shot here. Well, I'll get it over here in the light. It did real well until I got to the end, and I had my roller up too high, and the board didn't jump up on the roller. But yeah, it did a real good job. So you can see right here where I stopped, the roller was too high. It's a pretty crooked board. I'll see what I can do about leveling that out. Might reset up and do one more cut on it. Well, I seen what it was. I stuck my roller over on the other side there, didn't realize the one edge of it was on top of a board, a flat board that raised it up just enough to mess me up. So I'm going to make one more shot here. Yeah, that's a nice clean pass. I hate going off the edge of the blade like that because it throws sawdust all over, but yeah, left a really nice path all the way across there. So I hope this all helps you out in making your decision. I'm going to have to do some more work to clean this board up. It's really warped. a little bit of burn mark, but I about got her squared up, and it's doing a good job. Y'all have a great day.